Thank you, Mark. It was really fantastic. Again, good morning and welcome to the 5th International Conference on Globalization, Entrepreneurship, and Emerging Economies. The conference is jointly organized by the Center for Business and Economic Research here in the UK, and also two journals, Journal of Business and Retail Management Research and International Journal of Maritime Crime and Security. And I can see Professor Chris Bellamy is here, who is actually heading the second journal, which is International Journal of Maritime Crime and Security. Last year, as Mark stated, the conference actually took place in Bangladesh, and what is the interesting environment we had. The conference was hosted jointly with the Daffodil International University and Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Maritime University in Bangladesh. And some of the keynote speakers actually did attend that conference, including Professor David Graves and Professor Gorik Das, and Professor Bellamy is here. He was there, and he actually attended two different conferences. And I'm sure that they all have enjoyed the conference atmosphere in Bangladesh. That was actually huge, the success. Now, the Center for Business and Economic Research recognizes the importance of the individual and the value to be gained by knowledge sharing and heuristic learning. While we all appreciate that the situation currently we are facing, COVID-19, is extremely fluid and is affecting all of us, it is becoming a global phenomenon and the crisis for this century, and we all must face this crisis. And during this, that hard time, we all show our sympathy with those who are affected by this serious crisis or pandemic. However, it is also true that we do not want to lose the opportunity to engage and share our research output with colleagues around the world. Initially, we wanted to host this conference at the University of Cambridge this year, but that we had to change our mind because of this serious pandemic situations. Now we are a digital platform. It seems to all of us that this is the way forward, and we are the part of changing phenomenon for better sustainability. We all understand that this may not be, the full, well-loved and dynamic face-to-face conference experience, but this is still a great opportunity for us to gather, collaborate, and share intellectual insight and our understanding and our mindset through the sharing attitude. While this year this conference is smaller in size, but I can guarantee you that some of the papers are really very high quality. Over the next 2 days, we'll have over 50 presentations, including number of interesting and insightful keynote addresses from distinguished keynote speakers. And I'm sure it will be a very stimulating conference. And I can see there's a large number of papers, that is going to present, and that is actually around COVID and current situations and its implication with global businesses, globalizations, and other aspects of business and social sciences. At this stage, I would like to thank all our committee members, track chairs, reviewers, and especially you in making this virtual conference successful. I would like to convey my warmest gratitude to my friend, very good friend, colleague, is more than 21 years, that you already have, know him, Mark T. Jones, for his continuous support and cooperation to make this conference a success. Not only this conference, but to make Center for Business and Economic Research a successful organization. This year is the 15th anniversary year for Center for Business and Economic Research. It's a long way we have come at this stage. Even number of calls, he made yesterday to ensure an effective last-minute preparation for the conference. When the late call it was yesterday, that we have been working until late night. Thank you, Mark. It is a great privilege having you as a co-chair for this conference as usual, and your support and hand in hand. So it's really quite interesting, and we are so fortunate, that as a CBR, that your support is always, that continuously you are lending your support to all of us. No conference of this significance just happens, and I have been fortunate to have encountered tremendous professionalism in those who have helped put this event together. I must mention, although Professor Joan Roll is not here present at the moment because of the timing, she'll be joining with us after 2 o'clock from USA. Joan Roll, Dean of Business School, Medgar Evers College, City University of New York. For the last 5 years, tremendously, that she's always lending her hands and, with positive cooperations, always making sure that CBR is moving with the right directions. And my special thanks to her. I would like to also convey my, that special thanks to Professor David Grace, Professor Chris Bellamy for supporting the different way to make this organization truly an international organizations, and to carry out some interesting research in business and management. I would like to convey my gratitude to the conference team, especially Dr. Bonia, Suchitra Polar, Sujata, and Mukta, that for their unconditional support and hard work for the last 1 month, to make this, program conference somehow in orderly fashion. Still, that we may have some, the jotted line communication may be problems, and I think problems are part of our life. And only you cooperation and support. And I can see for the last 1 week, that many of our participants, the way they actually came forward to make sure that the conference is, in order. And I feel that because of you, we can do something very positive and very right way. It is honor for all of us to have with us Professor Chris Bellamy, Professor Emeritus of Maritime Security at the University of Greenwich, Professor Deepraj Mukherjee, Kent State University, USA, who will be joining later on. Dr. Joan Roll, Dean Business School, Medgar Evers College, City University of New York. Professor Srinivasan, University of Mumbai, JBIMS. Fabrizio Pergiani from University of Bocconi, Italy. But he'll not be able to attend. He sent the video clip and will be running this. Professor Warren Matthews, Belhaven University, from the, that for the last several years, his support and cooperation is enormous to the organizations. Dr. Gorik Das, Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management, India. David Graves, Nottingham Trent University, as I have mentioned, and Professor Sholil Chen, visiting Professor Management Development Institute of Singapore. Juan Carlos Botello from Mexico, and of course, as a keynote speaker and same time as a conference co-chair, Marty Jones will be speaking later on as a keynote speaker. This conference is a fitting reminder of the need to be outward looking, of the value of the benchmarking and paramount importance of putting research into public domain, especially internationally. No nation can afford to complacent. If globalization teaches us anything, it is need to learn from others, and which we are doing always, making this conference, sharing our ideas and so on, and constantly we are adapting and striving to improve our offerings. Lasting development of a nation can only come from promotion on merit and a collaborative spirit, one that sees partnership, enterprise, and a commitment to meaningful research. Higher education must be at the forefront of development, meeting the needs of a nation in an era of this rapid change. And I'm sure that all of us has some moral duty to ensure the society is moving with the right direction. One of the greatest features of this conference is a special session on the launching of a book that is the first ever book publication published by the Center for Business and Economic Research and co-authored by me, Marty Jones and Anindya Dasgupta. There are some other interesting book projects are due to publish by early next year. One of them is headed by Dr. Joan Roll, a handbook on the future of work and entrepreneurship for the underserved, and another one is led by Professor Deepraj Mukherjee, and the book title is Belt and Road Initiative, China's Global Business Footprint. All connected with Center for Business and Economic Research are grateful for your trust and willingness to place your research into the public domain at such an event. It is always a joy to welcome back our old friends of the center, as well as to meet new participants eager to engage in a positive and purposeful manner. It is also a particular pleasure to note that a number of international observers have decided to join us for the duration over the next 2 days. It is our earnest wish that all participants will feel fully engaged, ready to ask searching yet constructive questions, and eager to learn. I wish you all a successful, productive, and enjoyable conference. Again, thank you for joining with us. Thank you so much.